Rhyyan?
Can you get up?
Come here, hold your pole. We got a bag of worms now. Just gotta find one.
You can't find one?
I seen one in here, but I lost it.
I got found one.
Got one?
Got one.
Hold
Nay, hold this. Alright, you ready, Kaya?
Yep.
Hold your pole, you got it?
I see something wiggling in the pond.
Ready?
Yep.
Where did it go? I don't know where the line is. Hold this worm.
I got caught.
What?
I got caught.
Here. Hold this.
It's on his back pipe. Rhyyan, watch this.
Let's try again. You ready?
He needs help. Is that a cattail? No.
You ready?
I got caught.
Oh man, he took it and he ran.
Oh,
Did he get my worm?
Yep.
He got my worm. Those little bait thieves. Alright, let me see. Yeah, that was moss. Try again. Here we go.
What if the same fish takes it and runs off?
Here, hold that.
We might be waiting for
You got it? Hold it. I think I'm getting eaten up.
She ripped the piece.
Yep, I ripped the piece.
That side keeps on getting warm. This one's ripped.
Uh-oh, I got a knot in my line. Coming out? Good. You ready? Ah! He got off.
He did?
Yep. But he didn't get our worm. Ha ha!
No, I was going to give you a piece.
No, he didn't get our worm.
Why?
Because he wasn't good enough. Ready?
He didn't want to. They're like, that's a trap.
Uh-oh, where did the line go? Oh, whoa, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, that was a good one.
Fish?
Yeah, did you see him take off?
No,
He about took your pole in the water.
Yeah.
Here, let me see a piece of worm. Boy, that was a big one.
Yeah. Almost full my fishing. Oh wait, in one of the movies, she caught a fish, a goal, and she just dropped her fishing pole and then.
Yeah. All right, let's try this again. Ready? Same spot, right there by that tree branch. See if we can get it. Oh, we hit the tree branch. Where's your string at? Oh, got it. It got off.
Is this a cat here, Daddy?
Oh, we got one.
How?
Just a little one.
So, are we going to keep it or not?
Nah, that's too small. Look at that little bait thief. Look, he didn't get my worm. We'll take that back. Try again. What do you think?
I was going to hold it.
Oh, I'll let you hold the next one.
If we stack the tiny one, I'll hold the tiny one.
Okay.
Is this a cattail? Is it?
Does it say meow?
Huh? What?
Does it say meow when you pull it?
No.
Uh-oh, we got a stick fish.
No.
Look at that, we got a big one.
Wheel.
Look, see? We got a stick fish. It's a big one. Oh, ouch.
What happened?
My hook came back and hit me. Where's it at? I can't see nothing. There it is. Do we got a worm still? We got a worm? Gotta find another one. Look at that big old worm.
It don't say meow.
It don't say meow? Must not be cattail then. Here you go, hold that.
Why would it meow if it's not a cattail? If it's a cattail?
Just cat's meow.
Well, it's not a cut off cattail.
Oh.
Can't.
Ready?
Yeah, it's cut off.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
You could make a 5 with the worm or a
Alright, he got our worm again. I think he got our worm again. Look at that. Dirty, rotten worm robber.
I'll grab it.
Here, let Daddy do it so I can not get eaten up.
Yep, gotta be.
Okay.
Rip it?
Yeah, rip it.
Mm-hmm.
Just pull it in two. Use your teeth.
Ew.
That's what the fish do.
They eat the worms. Guess what? They don't cook them over a fire. They don't cook the worms. It's gross to you, but not to them.
They like worms.
Here you go. Hold that. Ready?
Yep.
You ready, son? Here we go. Oops, hold your pole. Oh, we got one. Oh, he's a fighter.
Where?
Right there.
He's a big guy.
Yeah, not really.
Oh,
Maybe big enough to
Well,
keep.
actually, bigger than I thought he was.
Oh yeah,
You gonna hold him? Here, let me have the worm. You gonna put your thumb in its mouth? Put your thumb in its mouth.
Swallow the hook.
Like this. Hold him like that. Put your thumb in his mouth. Hold him tight. And then get the hook off. You got him?
Yep. Are we going to feed him?
Sure.
What do we put him on?
You go put him on the stringer.
What shingle?
Look at that. Smile with
Now
your
you want
fish.
to put him on the stringer?
Ew.
Ready to get another one?
Poke you, poke you.
Touch its fins. Here, can you help me?
No, touch its fin. Ooh. Hey, it's shutting it. Oh, I know I did. I did this, and I thought it was this mouth. The teeth are over. Yeah. You video Dad. I'll video Ryan.
Oh, come here, Rhyyan. I got another one. It's a bigger one. You gotta pull it in?
It might be big
Come on, pull it in.
or tiny. I don't know what.
Here, here. Grab the string. Grab the string and pull it in.
I see him.
You got him?
I see him.
It's all you. Whoa.
Whoa, that's a big old guy. What?
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh, yeah, big fin.
Yeah, put your finger in its mouth. Grab him hard.
Big fin.
Yeah, pinch his mouth real hard. There you go. You got it? That's a heavy one, isn't it?
Yeah, it almost hit me and it did to me.
Yep.
It hurts for a little
Okay,
bit,
let me see it.
even though it's not pinning me.
Yep.
Hot water doesn't help. Does hot water help?
Okay.
Oh,
We gotta get you out of this string.
are we gonna keep him?
Yeah, you wanna keep him?
Yeah, I guess. Oh, we
Hold
can
on
go
it.
somewhere.
Wait a
What if you
minute.
catch him and bring him? We got lots of fish we caught. We got
Get 'em.
2.
Hold him tight. Take him up the hill.
Okay.
Stop, 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 stop. Pick up your foot. Okay.
There's my creek. Down there. Video it. See it?
Yep. Take him to the spring house quickly.
I think this is one of the crappies. I think that's what we put in. Get here. Who caught that one?
Me.
Nice.
Dad.
Tom, when you catch another one, bring. Hey, Tom! Don't forget to bring worms.